How does a person know if right now is the time to join Genesis? I would say the question you would ask yourself is, how much longer can I continue to live the life that I'm living? And how important is it for me to change my life? What would changing my life do for me now and my future? And if that means that time is right now, or you are okay with the life that you're living, I can't make that decision for you. I can't convince you that you need it right now. I would say ask yourself those questions, and if right now is the time, or if down the line is the right time. But whenever the time is that you start, that is the time for you. Once that decision has been made, once we start that clock, there is no turning back. That can scare some people. That can be very intense for people, but that's why it's set up in a step-by-step program, week-by-week program, to ensure that when you enroll in the Genesis program, it is the perfect time for you.